hi, how are you? My name is Roxana and welcome to my neck of the woods. This video, if you have been here before, you know it's gonna be a little bit different than my usual. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm really pressed on time, so this is going to be short and sweet. You are looking at an outfit of the day, and I just absolutely love the way these pants look with the shoes and the top. And now we're just gonna go straight into my Stitch Fix number 17. You are looking at the items that I send back. The main reason why I send this top back, I love the way it fits. It's just that I have something very similar to this. The same colors I actually have in two tops. And I'm trying to get items that are a little bit different from one another and not kind of have the same thing in my closet. Now, these shorts, I requested shorts. Carlin was so kind that she sent me 2 pairs. And I told her that I'm in between sizes. So these are a size 14W and they're just a little bit snug. I know eventually they're gonna be loose, but right now I just want to spend my money on things that fit perfectly right now. I love the pop of color in these shorts, and I almost didn't send them back. These shoes, I sent them back because you can tell they're a little bit big. This is a size 7. My problem with shoes is that I do fit in 6.5, sometimes 7 other shoes. I love the pop of color of these sandals. I like that it covers my heel, and I just, had to send them back. Now, these shorts I absolutely love. They're size 16. You can tell they're a little bit big on me, but I think they're going to shrink a little because of the cotton blend that they have. I love the length of them. They're just right for me. I am 5'2", and even though I own another pair of white shorts, these are just looking so fresh and nice and classic. And oh my god, you guys, this top, I would have just passed right by it if I would have seen it in the store, but I love the way it fits. It's got a gray pinstripe. It's kind of like a modern take on a traditional men's looking wear thing, but of course it has the ruffle, which makes it feminine. The off the shoulder look, I just love the way it looks on me, and I requested for more items like this. Now, of course, the sleeves are a little too short. All of these are easy care. They're all machine wash, which I do appreciate a whole lot. Now, I'm gonna cut it short and sweet. I like to end all of my videos on a note of gratitude, and I am so grateful that I had a video for you guys up tonight. If you want to try Stitch Fix, click on the link below and it will take you straight to the site and you can try it for yourself. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time, and it will be a more traditional video. Bye.